How gorgeous, guys. It looks very Givenchy. Like when you walk into these big hotels. And once again, guys, welcome to the channel. If you're first time, my name is Claudia. I bought a few things for the house from Aliexpress. Enjoy the video. My old cushions, my bedroom used to be teal, and I had it for 4 years like that, so I'll be sick and tired of it. So I'm changing completely and getting rid of all the teals, all the this type of blue. I'll just use as it is, yeah. I have to say, guys, it looks fantastic. Although it has some unraveling threads, but it is really heavyweight. And just look at the design of it. Difficult to find the zip because it's like suede, and they had in navy and blue and beige, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link for you guys. It's really hard. At one point I thought it hasn't got zip, but it wouldn't make no sense. It's proper hidden. Okay, the pockets looks large, but it's not. You have to really squeeze in. Okay. Ooh. It's actually, it fits this type of pillow that I've got, cushion or whatever you want to call it, very well. But it's just because the structure of this, it looks like I'm struggling, but it's just because it has got sort of a tight corners because of the zip. It fits it beautifully. Just gonna have to straighten. Hold on. Excuse my scarf and everything else. How gorgeous, guys. It looks very Givenchy. Like when you walk into these big hotels and they've got cushions like this. So those are them. Very happy, and let's see how it looks in the couch. So guys, now the reveal, just to show how he looks now. OMG, I absolutely adored. So that's how he's looking. I bought two initially to test it out, but it really goes with my decor. Comment down below if you like, if you agree. It's kind of sort of a gold shimmery threads, and it has got this type of sort of a Givenchy grandeur, you know. And my couch is like greyish. It kind of sort of changes, you know. It can go like, it's like velvety, but it's called is it called choroid or choroid? What's the word? And it's like a corner group, but a bit compact but quite large. For myself and my daughter, it's perfect. And then I've got those candle holders over there. So I want to buy another one of these for that sofa in that corner there. So in that will be sort of the overall type of look. Really like it. It looks so grand. Oh, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. So spectacular. Although my mirror is like silver, I've got like a mix of two metals, gold and, you know, and silver, which is very in at the moment. Let me put the light on. Maybe it changes slightly. It's like here. Perfect. Okay, so sorry guys if I'm moving too much, but I want to show the true color. This is the black. They had a navy and they had in brown. I initially was going to get brown, and also I have to say I bought two white, not like white, like beige, that's sort of a matching the chair covers over there, cushion covers that I'm planning to put in between. But I like the middle one because it matches my rug. It's proper deep as well, proper deep. Like it was like, looking at this rug was either £500. It's large and it's proper deep. Look how deep it is. Thick. And just like that area there, like that. think it's perfect. And this is how you see from here. And I'm going to change that lamp over there. I'm going to put black. I used to have a black one and I got rid of it because, like I said, after a few years I changed things around a lot, but I should have kept it. Yeah, thank you guys. Comment below and subscribe. See you in a sec. Peace out. So guys, if I have one over here as well, this is how it would look coming through the doors into the lounge. I think you'll be quite effective as well. Yeah, I've got my little back area, and I want one for here as well. I don't think it'll be a lot. I don't think it'll be like too much to the eye. Yeah, and I'm dying to cover that radiator from 1970s before I was born. Yeah, so I quite like that there coming out, and yeah, I think is the look. Yeah, I'll buy one more. I'm gonna actually go on the site now and purchase one more. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please do not forget to comment and subscribe on the way out. Love you guys loads. Bye.